Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If your YouTube application is freezing on your phone, today we are providing you with a guide to fix that issue. So let's just dive right into the solutions for that. You may start by holding the app and going to the info, and once you go to their info, you can look out for the storage section. Usually in the user section, tap on it and tap on the option for clear cache. And if that does not work, you can also clear out the data. And within the app info itself, look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner, tap on it and confirm this up and reopen the application. Apart from that, you can restart your phone. You can hold the power button for that, look out for the power off or restart option and turn it back on, and you can open up the YouTube application as well. Also check for updates. You can go to Play Store for that, and within Play Store you may go to the search, find YouTube here, and once you find YouTube you may look out for the update option here and update the application to the latest version. And if uninstall option is available, you can even install it and then again reinstall the latest version as well. Also ensure that your phone has enough storage, because if your phone is running on low storage, then that is probably the main issue why your YouTube application is freezing. So you can just go over and check it out, and also check your internet connection. You can access your quick settings panels for that. Look out for the network, even flight mode if it is on or off, and check it out, and that should probably fix your issue. So usually these are some of the basic steps you can follow up for now, and comment down below if it worked for you. We hope it was. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.